evening, lovelies. It is Queen Carrie B. and Miss Princess Frances Tallulah the Magnificent. And today I'm doing a little bit of a Ratchet recipe. And we're going to be cooking the Red Baron, and we're going to zhuzh up the frozen pizza with what we have, whatever else we have in our fridge, because times is tough and I'm hungry and this is all that's in the house. We're going to add some more toppings to it, make it a little, zhuzh it up a little bit. Alright, so this is what we're working with. It's already like the meats pizza, but I found some grass-fed beef, so I'm going to crumble some of that up and put it on there. And some extra cheese. I found some cheddar. I don't know. I'm cool with that. It'd be like a cheeseburgery type thing. Pepperoncinis are awesome. I love pepperoncinis. Add a little vinegary tang, and I love onions. I don't think this is gonna be a bad combo. Let's do it. Yeah. So I think I'm going to add the onions first because they sort of need to cook on there. Then maybe stop halfway through and put the rest of the stuff on. Yes! Okay, it's been in there for about 10 minutes, so I'm going to add the other goodies. Alright, let's stick this back in the oven. Oh, and I managed to find a little not so Ratchet lettuce and tomato. Make a little salad. Oh my god, there it is in all its glory and all its melty goodness. Oh, alright, let's sit and eat. Grab a slice, tuck in, and have some pizza and salad. Okay, let's try this pizza. I think it's gonna be awesome. Oh my god. Happy in my fish hole. Hi, Fran. Anyway, this is like no secret frozen pizza hack. You know, you can put whatever fresh ingredients you have at home on there. Zhuzh it up. Of course, I smothered this in blue cheese. Oh, Ratchet lettuce and tomato I had in there. Whatever kind of vegetable you can get in. It's good. I'm a little tired today. You're itchy. Do you need Benadryls? A little emotionally exhausted. I don't know. The new year can be... It's great. I got good vibes going into the new year, but it's also a little overwhelming. Which is okay. Bring it, universe. I'm ready for all the goodness. Right, Fran? I enjoy a nice Arnold Palmer. Oh. Oh. Slice at number 2. Going in my face hole. Oh. Man down. So anybody been watching all the great movies that are out now? I've been watching a lot of screeners lately, and there's some good ones in there. Shape of Water was awesome. What else did I like? Lady Bird was awesome. Saoirse Ronan's wonderful. The movie Get Out. It's probably one of my favorites. Richard Jenkins. Wonderful actor. Love him. And of course, I went and saw the Star Wars. I was shook. I was... It's so expensive to go to the movies now, and you can see most things streaming soon enough, you know. There are some films you just have to see in a theater, like Star Wars. The Dark Crystal is coming back to theaters, I hear. And there's going to be like a prequel series on Netflix. The Dark Crystal is one of my absolute favorites from my childhood. And I'm like freaking out over all of it. And the prequel, of course, there's so much backstory there. Like the Skeksis and the Mystics, the prophecy, the big showdown that went down, how the podlings were enslaved. Oh my god. Yes, I am a total dork. It's my generation's joint though. Dark Crystal. And it was brilliant for its time. Jim Henson. It was like 1981, 1982. It was genius. Perfect tuning.
You're so pretty. Mommy loves it.
What else is going on in the universe? Once again, I'm getting full. It's getting kind of soggy at the bottom. I sussed out the crispy bits though. Oh, I'm gonna go in for that last one. Fullness in my belly. Keep eating it. All the blood is gonna go to my tummy, and I'm gonna go shushy night night. Sleepy time. Alright, I'm gonna finish this slice. Oh. Oh. Thanks to anyone who was watching. If you like my silly business and my things, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Give me a little thumbs up. Oh. So that was this evening's, whatever that was, zhush up your frozen pizza, Ratchet recipe / mukbang, eating show, chit chat. Prosperous, wonderful things in 2018 for everyone. You're awesome, I'm awesome, everybody's awesome. And we'll see you next time for more of all the things. Nom, nom, nom.